sound good, huh? I didn't know no more.
Manny, you do it. Do it, Manny.
It says, look, an offering and bringing of this sacred milk brings happiness, a blessing to Buddha, and a long life to the bringer of milk.
Come on, man.
Alexia, ring the bell.
When's the nice opportunity?
Hurry.
Ring the bell.
Hurry, there's a line. Ring, Alexia. Walla, Kalawa. This is where we're at. And this is all the films that was filmed here. Of course, Jurassic Park. Oh, they did King Kong here too. Oh, these are the TV shows here. So the TV shows and all the movies and all the celebrities that came here and filmed.
To the left, this is the Moai statue. It is a replica of the statues that resides on Easter Island, otherwise known as Arapanui. Was mainly filmed on the island of Kauai. That entire movie was supposed to have been done on that island. But in 1992, the Hawaiian Islands had a very bad hurricane threat, and that threat became a reality. The eye of Hurricane Iniki slammed into the island of Kauai and devastated that island. That's what forced Steven Spielberg having to find another filming location to complete that movie. That's when he found Koraloa's lands, found the laws on our lands, and history was then made. To the right, this is one of the lost episodes. This is Hurley's golf course. Lost was a very popular series. Hurley's golf course. They were stranded on an island and Hurley tells everybody, look dudes, our life sucks. We're getting attacked by monsters and polar bears. That is why the polar bear is in the bunker in the lost tunnel. Coming around the corner, to the left and to the right, these are the footprints of that big bad lizard, Mr. Godzilla. These Godzilla footprints used to be 6 feet deep. That is its original depth. That is the depth of it in the movie. The reason why it's no longer 6 feet deep is because our cattle started falling inside of the footprints. Many of them did not make it out, so the ranch, they had to act immediately to take care of that situation, and they did. So they backfilled all of these Godzilla footprints with dirt. That is why these footprints are no longer 6 feet deep.
Welcome to a special Angel on the Go edition video, right?
Special edition.
Special edition, you guys. We are in, where we at?
Hawaii.
We are in Hawaii, you guys. You want to take off your mask? There's no one down here.
They got real strict rules about that mask over here. Indoors.
Do they?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you guys, we are so excited. We are in Hawaii. We have been here for 8 days. Tomorrow is our last day. Then we get to go home. So this is why we didn't put out too many videos this week, because we've been busy. But guess what? Tomorrow we leave. And today we decided to go where? Walmart. We wanted to go to a Walmart in Hawaii, guys. And look at our cart. Look at that.
So for everybody that says there's no clearance and we're lucky, there is clearance in Walmart everywhere. I don't care where you are.
And hopefully in the future, you guys, we'll get to travel to different Walmarts in different areas, because this was fun. We've never been in this Walmart, super lost, but they have a lot of stuff in here, and we hit the jackpot. Exactly. Are you guys ready? Are you ready, Manny? We're in Hawaii.
Always.
Oh, let me show you. You guys, I'm getting this for a souvenir. This is not on clearance. It's full price. But you know what? I love it. And I gotta have it. So we're gonna buy this. I think this is like $15. But this is the only thing that we have that's full price. All of this, boom, 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 is clearance.
You're such a tourist. You don't even need that.
I need it. All right, so you guys, we're about to show you what we got. You ready?
Yeah.
Look at the first item that we found.
Yeah.
Quick question. We're in Hawaii. How are we gonna get this home?
I ship it. I don't care.
You guys, we have to go to the post office tomorrow and ship all these to our house because we can't take these on a plane.
It's worth it. Sometimes you gotta make sure it's worth the cost, but for this, absolutely worth it. Take a look at the corner. This is a king size.
Look how big this is, you guys. 18.5 by 34. Firm fill. This thing is huge. Look how big this box is next to Manny.
We found this before, but it was a much smaller version of it. So this thing right here is enormous. Look at it.
And we would find the big thing while we're out of town.
Yeah,
It always happens like that. But you guys, this is a great price. Again, this is My Pillow Classic. And it's washable and dryable. Will not go flat. Look at that. And it also has a 10-year warranty. Again, here's the size. And you guys can see how big this box is next to Manny. Anything else?
Yeah, so take it. Let me show you the UPC.
All right, you guys, here's the UPC. All right.
Now, just remember, you guys already know the price of this pillow is always high. And we're in Hawaii, so Hawaii always is much, much higher.
Yes, Hawaii is more expensive than Florida.
Hawaii, how dare you?
Hello to all of our Hawaii viewers.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to show them. I want to show them the regular price. Let me show you guys. Look at this. All right, so you guys can see the regular price right here. There we go. It says $62. $62 for this. For a pillow. Look at that. $48.98. This is what everybody is seeing here in Hawaii. $48.98.
Yeah.
And you guys know that we scanned it. And Manny, how much is it coming up to?
You ain't gonna believe this. This king size pillow is only coming up $15.50.
Again, you guys, this went from $62 all the way down to $15.50. You know what? When we go back over to my brother's house,
He's gonna want one.
he's gonna want one.
Sorry.
He's like, you guys are not gonna find no clearance. Yeah, we are. All right, so not only did we find one, you guys, we actually found two. All right, so the second one we found is right here. So we found two. So basically we're gonna be paying like $30, and regular price for one is $62.
So let me tell you the best part about this. We're paying $15.50. So for all of you resellers out there, if you can get your hands on this, gold.
Gold, gold, gold. And we got two. All right, let's show them what we got next.
All right, so it's all the same right here.
Oh, those are so big.
All right, so this is the Beautyrest Silver Aquacool memory foam pillow.
Look at that, you guys.
Look at that. That just looks cool.
What is that?
It's like a cool pillow. Keeps cool all the time.
Okay, so this is what it looks like, I guess, in the inside. This is what the pillow looks like, and it does have a cover. It says breathable and cooling memory foam, Aquacool surface, memory foam comfort, and it has a what is that? Oh,
Ventilated airflow for
is that a
additional
pillow?
comfort.
Is that for like the cushion?
The
part?
hose, yeah, all the hose it got. But take a
Okay.
look at this. This is the gel part that keeps the pillow cool at all times. So when you laying down and the pillow get all hot, you gotta flip it and flip it and flip it. This one always stays cool for you.
Okay, that's good to know. All right, and this one also has a cooling jersey knit removable zipper cover. So this is the cover that we're talking about. We got a couple of these before. If you guys take a look over here, this one is the standard queen. And look at this, you guys. Look at this. It's super soft.
You can't keep one.
Super soft. No, I know my brother's gonna take one. We already know he's gonna take one.
No.
All right. All right, you guys, so look at this. We're gonna go ahead and show you the
You and your
UPC.
brother's the same. I'll tell you what.
He clowns us for clearance shopping, you guys, but I know he's gonna want one of these. Here is the UPC. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you the sticker price. All right, so you guys see $62.
That's clearance. I don't even know the regular price.
All right, you guys, so this pillow, again, $62 regular price.
Crazy.
Beautyrest Silver with this Aquacool stuff in the inside to make it actually cool. Cool. You guys, this is only $15.50. This is the second one we found. The first one was My Pillow Classic, the king size. Boom, $15.50. The second one is this Beautyrest. You guys have Christmas coming up. Anybody's birthday coming up. Next year, Mother's Day. Father's Day coming up. Look at this, you guys. This one's only $15.50.
Ooh, if y'all can feel how cool this pillow is right now.
Right. And that means tomorrow morning, we're going to be going to the post office early, dropping this stuff off so it could be shipped to our house. And then we're going to get on the plane. All right, so did we find anything else?
Yeah. So how many of these did we find? Are they
Okay,
all the same size?
we got this one. That is the standard and queen. This is the second standard and queen. You guys can still see there's a $62 price tag. I'm gonna put this down here. Okay, and is that the same one?
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys, we actually found 3 of these. There's 1, 2, 3 down here. We found 2 of the king size My Pillow. You guys, we are scoring in Hawaii. We love Hawaii. This is the last one that we found. This is the Beautyrest Silver, and that's sensible. I'm gonna let you do this one because I don't know anything about these pillows.
But it's a shapeable memory foam cluster pillow, and it has the same cooling gel inside to keep it cool.
Yep.
Supercell technology.
And it says here, cool to the touch cover.
Yeah.
So that's a cover right here. And this is what you guys are gonna wanna look for, the standard and queen size.
Man, when I tell you these pillows are cool, like I'm just touching it and I can feel like it's been in the AC.
Let me feel it. Oh, I need that for the airplane.
No, you don't.
You guys, this is a really not, I cannot believe, how come we can't score these big pillows at home? You know what?
Probably are.
You know what, you guys? You know what we're gonna do? As soon as we get off that airplane tomorrow, we're gonna head right over to our Walmarts and look for these.
Yeah.
Let us know below if you guys score any of these. But this one actually has a cooling knit fabric, adjustable foam clusters, removable zipper cover, which is this again. And if you guys could peek through here, here's what it looks like. It's super soft, you guys. And can you turn it around? I'm gonna show you the UPC. There's the UPC. And this one right here.
Amazing.
This is the winner. I think they're all the winner.
No, sure.
But this one right here, I gotta show you guys one more time. Almost $38, $37.44. You guys, Manny, how much is this one?
Unbelievable. Under $10. This is $9.36.
Can you guys believe that?
Where are you gonna find a pillow like this for under $10?
How much was it? $9.36? $9.36. You guys, if you guys grab this right now and hold it for somebody for Christmas, or if you guys want to start reselling, this is the perfect time. These things sell like, ooh, is that too much information? Is that too much?
Well, we done told you gold.
Gold, not silver, gold. Let me show you the UPC of this one more time, because this is the $9 one. Again, the UPC is right here. Okay, so before we leave this Walmart, let's make sure we go over these prices. How much was this one?
$9.36.
$9.36. This Beautyrest,
$15.50.
okay, $15.50. And this real big My Pillow, which is probably one of my favorites. How much is this one?
$15.50 as well.
$15.50. Now, wish us luck on packing this tonight. It's kind of late. I am really tired. It's 10:30 here in Hawaii. So what time is it back home? 6 hours.
Oh, man, up.
Yeah, up.
4:30 in the morning.
It's 4:30. So we are super tired, but there's no way we could take these on the plane. So by the time we get home, it'll probably be at our house in about a couple days.
So this is another Angel on the Go
First, you guys.
where you guys are getting amazing clearance deals. Make sure you guys stop, like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and Tune in for more deals. They are everywhere, even in Hawaii.
Even in Hawaii. And we need you guys to share our videos. We need you guys to like our videos. Make sure you guys just share, because this is how we continue giving you guys the deals. Let us know below if you guys score any of these, and we'll see you back home.
My Hawaii
that.
clearance shopping.
Look at that. And you guys, we'll see you back home in Florida in the next video. Look how pretty this is.
But once the clouds kind of go,
All right, this is our tour guide.
it's gonna change color.
This is my brother, the tour guide. All right, what beach is this, Paul?
Nimitz and White Plains.
How pretty that water is.
You see all the way down there, that pointy mountain. That's Waikiki.
Waikiki is over there. Oh, it's windy. Manny, you going in the water? Manny. Lexi, you going in the water? No. Go in the water. Come on, Angelique. Here's my uncle. They already get wet. It is so pretty out here.